connectivity and serenity. Our whole life is a constant balance between these two, isn't it? We want to stay close to our daily needs, yet we want peace and quiet when we go back home. Well, lucky for you, I'm here to show you a home that does both with ease. Welcome to Infinium Crimson Crest. Without making you wait any further, let's go in and check out the model apartment. One-thirty spacious Vastu complaint 2 and 3 BHK apartments that are crafted with non-anti-space design and complete with lifestyle amenities. The unit we're going to see is a 1171 square feet 2 BHK east-facing apartment. None of the main doors face each other, so you can have more privacy. The main door is 7 feet and is made of a solid wooden frame and designed veneer doors with stylish inlays. There are many easy and safe ways to open this smart digital lock from Yale: biometric, RFID card, pin lock and a mechanical key. And then there's a spacious living room, which merges into the dining area, further extending towards the balcony. This seamless flow of spaces is great for get-togethers. And this flooring is of 600 by 600 premium vitrified tiles. The dining area can comfortably accommodate a 6-seater dining table and a console unit. For your convenience, there's also a wash basin nearby. These large UPVC front sliding doors are made up of toughened glass and allow plenty of sunlight inside. The flooring here is finished with anti-skid tiles. There's also a provision for your washing machine, which is really convenient to dry your clothes. All the balconies here are designed to offer either podium views or external views, so you can relax here and chill with your loved ones. Moving on to the kitchen, this particular model has a 3-sided kitchen space. Personally, I think this is a great idea because one space is for cooking, one space is for cleaning vessels, and one big space for prep and storage. The hob position faces east as per Vastu. There are enough electrical points for all your appliances. The spacious master bedroom has a big window for abundant lighting and ventilation. There's also a TV provision and strategically positioned power sockets. You can actually have a king-size bed and a wardrobe in here, and the room will still have enough space to walk around. That's how well thought out the plan is. It's really quiet, no? That's because these homes have minimal wall sharing, which cuts down on noise and enhances your privacy. The bathroom looks really luxurious, don't they? That's because of the fittings. Only American Standard or Grohe are used for the sanitary ware, and anti-skid tiles are used for the flooring. For lasting quality, the bathroom doors are made up of high-end UPVC fixtures and comes with frosted glass for privacy. The second bedroom is perfect for your kids or your guests and is spacious enough to accommodate a king-size bed and a wardrobe. As you can see, the room is filled with natural light and breeze. All the bathrooms come with designer wall dado tiling, and electrical provision is given near the wash basin. The living room and bedrooms come with AC and DTH provision, and all the electrical fixtures are from Honeywell, a leading US brand. Not just the homes, but the entire community is planned to provide you a wholesome lifestyle. Crimson Crest offers 40+ lifestyle amenities and features, along with a 15,000 square feet clubhouse. But what you'd see on screen cannot match how you'd feel in person. So come visit the project in Model House today and make Crimson Crest yours.